Baal HaSulam says in Matan Torah, the giving of the Torah, item 16, if 600,000 men abandon their work for satisfaction of their own needs and worry about nothing in their own lives, but standing guard always, so the friends will not lack a thing, and moreover, they engage in it with great love, with their very heart and soul. In the full meaning of the mitzvah, love your friend as yourself, that it is beyond doubt that no one in the nation will need to worry about his own well-being. Because of this, one becomes completely free of securing his own survival and can easily observe the mitzvah, love your friend as yourself. After all, how would he worry about his own survival for a minute when 600,000 loyal lovers stand by, ready, with great care, to make sure he lacks nothing of his needs? Therefore, once all the members of the nation agreed, they were immediately given the Torah, for now they were capable of observing it.
How can we achieve something like that? Where we support each other to such an extent in the form of a circle where nobody needs to count on himself, to rely on himself, but by holding the others up, he understands that he is also part and saved there. He's attended to, he's being taken care of. As he takes care of them, they take care of him. And in this reciprocal way, they can be saved from their ego, their individual ego that each one has, and to transcend it, rise above it. Again.
If 600,000 men abandon all their work for satisfaction of their own needs,
600,000, that's a 10, right? It doesn't matter what it's not a number, it's the intensity, the power of a complete vessel.
And worry about nothing in their lives, but standing guard always, so their friends will not lack a thing. And moreover, they engage in it with great love, with their very heart and soul, in the full meaning of the mitzvah commandment, love your friend as yourself. Then it is beyond doubt that no one in the nation will need to worry at all about his own well-being. Because of this, one becomes completely free of securing his own survival and can easily observe the mitzvah, love your friend as yourself. After all, why would he worry about his own survival for a minute when 600,000 loyal lovers stand by, ready, with great care, to make sure he lacks nothing of his own needs? Therefore, once all the members of the nation agreed, they were immediately given the Torah, for now they were capable of observing it.
Meaning that only after there's this inclination from each one towards everyone else, because only in that one sees his own personal salvation, right, by taking care of everyone. In taking care of everyone, after that, the reforming light comes and truly builds one system out of them. How do we achieve this? Meaning, we need to assert in our hearts If I care for myself, I need to do it with a concern for everyone else. Right? That's the only way in which I take care of myself. I have some problem, some trouble, some threat. Doesn't matter what. I need to care for everyone. And by that, I also take care of myself. And if we succeed with that, then the reforming light comes. Because we are in Arvut then. And the light can come and to complete the work, meaning to create a connection in them, between them. By them now carrying out an act of concern for each other, each one from himself towards the others. By that they raise a prayer, they raise man, a lack. They need to be connected together, but still each one does that because he understands that there's no use in trying to take care of himself, but only in taking care of the others. So this work is still egoistic. Yes? However, against that comes the reforming light, and it completes the work. It gives them the will to bestow. And then they truly rise above their will to receive and help others, not because they will have it better, and so for lack of choice they do this work, but rather because the light brings them the power of bestowal. So please just go over that. Build up the whole thing. Go on.